Welcome home bakers to another episode of my YouTube channel, Basic Homebaking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed. So I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every time. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make another type of rice cake, the Buchi Buchi. Buchi Buchi is a type of rice cake made of glutinous rice flour stuffed with sweet filling, then rolled in sesame seeds and then deep fried under high heat until it is of golden brown color. There are several types of filling. The most common is the kamote or the red bean paste filling or the mongo filling. Today, we're going to do both the kamote and the ube filling. The ingredients are, for the crust, we have 2 cups of glutinous rice flour, 1 cup of sweet potato or kamote. Use the yellow variety or the orange variety. 2/3 cup of white sugar, 3/4 cup of warm water. For the filling, 1 cup of sweet potato or kamote, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, and of course the ube halaya. Please refer to my ube halaya episode on how to make this ube halaya. 1/2 cup of sesame seeds. I'm going to start mixing. In a bowl, add the glutinous rice flour, then add the sugar. Mix well. Pour the warm water. Don't add all. So we can see if we still need to add more water. If it is too soft, add more flour. And if it is too hard, then add more water. Add more water. Let's add the kamote. Then we're going to knead this. Flour the surface. You can add more flour if it is too soft. I'm going to set this aside for a few minutes. Okay, we're going to do the filling. Okay, we're going to mix the kamote and the sugar. I'm going to mix this. And then add some butter. Okay, set this aside. Roll it and form into baston. Let's cut it into 2. Let's weigh around 25. Cut into uniform sizes. going to roll this all and then flatten. Add the filling. Add the filling. Then close. And seal. Then roll again. For the ube. The filling. Okay, we're going to dip this in water and then roll in sesame seeds. We're going to deep fry the ube and the kamote filling. This is the kamote filling. This is my buchi with ube halaya filling. The other one is buchi with sweet potato filling or kamote filling. Look, so nice. This is so yummy, promise. There you have it, my buchi with ube halaya filling and sweet potato filling. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on my next episode. Enjoy!